You are welcome back, guys. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky and this is Banky Update. So, guys, in this video today, what I have for you is called Gemz Airdrop. This is a gem point where you earn gems points. On this airdrop, as we all know, airdrop is a way to make a free money on the Web3 era, because right now we are on the Web3 right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn Gemz Airdrop. You will earn it through points. You have to perform a simple task to earn this airdrop. But before we go further, if this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribing button and the bell behind it, so that anytime I drop another video more such like this, you'll be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen. Now let's go to this airdrop. Now check the description of this video. You will see a link there. Copy the link, take it to your Metamask, or if you have Wiki wallet, take it to your Wiki wallet and make sure you have a Metamask extension on your Wiki browser. Wiki browser. So, but if you don't have, you can just go to your Metamask wallet and click on the browser, paste the link there. So after you paste the link there, it will show you something like this page here. You will see a page like this. So all you need to do first is to click on this continue. So when you click on this continue, it will take you to another page where you are going to see where you are going to input your email address. Input your email address, then click on next. So do that now. So after that, it will take you to this page here where you're going to see Gems Point. Sign up and complete task to start any point. What is your wallet address? So right now you are going to connect your wallet address. What you need to do is to click on connect wallet. So when you click on connect wallet, it will connect your wallet address. Click on it, connect your wallet. So when you click, then verify your wallet. Click on sign to verify your wallet. So after you do that, the next thing, make sure you click on sign to verify your wallet. This one, I have already connected my wallet before. That's why I don't want to re-verify again. So after that, the next thing to do is to connect your Twitter account. So when you connect your Twitter account, click on connect Twitter. So when you connect your Twitter account, they will bring up some task down below here for you to do. That is, you should follow their Twitter account, and also post about them on Twitter. So everything, when you perform the 4 tasks or 5 tasks there, very simple task. So when you perform it, all you need to do is to click on submit. So when you click on submit, it will take you to a page where you are going to see your point. They will give you the point you earn, which will be 1000 points. So to earn more points, let me show you the page. So it will take you to this page here. It is going to take you to this page here. As you can see, it's going to take you to this page here. Remember, first come, first serve. The early bird eat the most, eat the best. So you need to be acting fast and try to earn as much as points as you can earn. As you can see, my wallet is connected already to this. My wallet is connected, as you can see. So right now, this is the points you earn. This is the point I earn. So to earn more points, this is what you are going to do. This is what you are going to do. You all you need to do is to just copy your referral link and send it to your friends and family. Send it to your friends and family, and you'll be earning 500 points per referral. You can also join their Telegram group. their Telegram channel to be receiving update every day. So guys, that is the update I have for you today. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like, shares to your loved ones, um to explain to them how they can get this point, how they will be able to get this point, this airdrop point. So guys, thank you for being here. Goodbye for now, and see you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.